boys, Abby Brown here with Iowa PBS. Come wander and wonder with me as we explore some science that is beautiful and fascinating. Always check with the grown-up first. All right, Lily, we are going to do a scientific experiment today that demonstrates how surface tension can be broken. And it's going to be beautiful and fascinating and look a little bit different.
Okay.
But I think you're going to discover that it's pretty cool. We have
Food coloring, milk, Q-tips, dish soap, pepper, and water.
All right, Lily, pour in enough of the milk to cover up the plate. Perfect. And now go ahead and make whatever design you want with a few drops of food coloring. Now the surface tension is keeping everything in place right now, but when we add the dish soap, the surface tension is gonna break and it's gonna encourage the fat in the milk to kind of go crazy and mix everything up. Should we see what happens?
Yeah.
Okay, take a Q-tip, dip it in the dish soap. Yep, get it nice and full. There you go. And then go ahead and start dipping it around. There you go. See what happens. See how it's pushing it around?
Yeah, and it's kind of spreading out, like the colors themselves
Yeah.
are.
Good. Isn't that beautiful?
Whoa. That's pretty.
The next one we're going to do is with water.
Okay.
So go ahead and fill this plate just with enough water that it covers the plate. And now fill it up full of pepper.
Okay.
Give it a big turn all the way around. There you go. Now imagine that this water is the water that you're going to use to wash your hands. And imagine that all of that pepper is dirt and grime and germs that are on your hands, okay? So if I just used water, what would happen? Go ahead and try and mix it up and just see what would happen. Where would all of that dirt and grime and germs be?
Well, it's kind of circling around, but it's also going down to the bottom.
It's going down to the bottom, some of it's floating, but it's still
There.
there, right? You know how to break that surface tension, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's see what happens. Look at that.
Whoa.
I wonder what would happen if we only used water and no soap when we washed our hands. Do you know what would happen?
They would all still be there.
Yeah, so what did you notice about all of the dirt and grimes when you used the soap?
Well, the second it touched the water, it all just went over to the side.
Yeah, so if we use soap when we wash our hands, what would happen to our hands?
It would be clean again. Germ-free.
Lily and I were scientists today. We broke some surface tension and we learned something about washing our hands. What will you discover when you wonder why? Have fun with it.